Welcome now, NewsNation medical contributor Dr. Dave Montgomery to discuss what we should know to protect our families. Doctor, good morning. Thank you for being here.
Good morning, Kelly.
Good morning. So I love what you say about this. You say it's not a time to be fearful. Rather, it's important to be armed with information about all viruses and diseases. I think there's a lot of wisdom in that. The CDC reported a concentration of these cases, as you know, detected in Florida schools. So is this primarily a vaccination issue?
Yeah, so this is really concerning. And the big question is, are we going to lose our herd immunity status with this measles infection? And the truth of the matter is there are a number of reasons. And one of them, obviously, is that we don't have as many vaccinations. Part of that is practically, right? Because of the pandemic, we hadn't been able to get kids to the vaccinations. And then there's sentiments. There are a lot of reasons for it. But here's the punchline. For people who don't have a reason not to get their children vaccinated, go get your child vaccinated. It is your best chance to protect your child and your family from a pretty severe, potentially severe disease. We haven't had to think about what the symptoms are, Kelsey just kind of talked about, but the symptoms can be quite severe. She did mention encephalitis, which is inflammation of the brain. Now, who wants to take their child through that? Even though it's not necessarily deadly, it can be. And who wants to go through encephalitis? Who wants to go through pneumonia? This is something that we had control of. The CDC called it eliminated, right? We had this eliminated, which means that we didn't have any infections in a 12-month period, and we're losing that status at this point.
All right. Well, I appreciate your insight on that, Doctor. You know, in another warning and alert, the New Mexico Department of Health reports a man recently died from the plague. Now, this is the first human case in that state since 2021 and the first death since 2020, it appears. While this is rare, what should we be taking away from this news? Are there ways to protect yourself? And should we be alarmed in this case?
Yeah, no, I think not alarm. Again, I think just educating ourselves, knowing that the plague is not a fictional disease, it's real. It is started by, a bacteria, believe it or not, that comes from either rodents or fleas. And this is the important part for people who love their pets and have pets at home. That if the disease is transmitted by fleas and rodents, the bottom line is stay away from rodents that are sick. And we're not talking about wild rodents necessarily. Some people have pets that happen to be rodents, like hamsters. If that pet is sick, stay away from it. If your pet has fleas, get the fleas taken care of right away. Those are ways for you to prevent developing a bacterial infection called bubonic, used to be called bubonic plague.
All right. Smart advice as always. Dr. Dave Montgomery, thank you so much for joining us.
Great to be with you.
Thanks for watching, everybody. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. Also, don't forget to click that red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.